Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas. And confession, I never go camping. Camping to me is going to a Best Western instead of the Westin. But anyway, let's check out the Campout Cookbook because I do cook in my backyard. But that way I have my bathroom and my comfy bed. But I love cooking outdoors over a fire and hanging out outside of my backyard. I'm not outdoorsy, but I like to be outside with a book in the summer evenings. Anyway, this is Inspired Recipes for Cooking Around the Fire and Under the Stars by Marnie Hanel and Jen Stevenson. I like this cover. Okay, when did this come out and who put it out? Artisan. Oh, I'm not sure of the year. 2018. Starts off, here's the table of contents with cute illustrations. Chapter 1, From Backpack to Bonfire. Chapter 2, Trail Snacks. I'll never need to eat those because I won't walk on a trail. Chapter 3, Sides and Salads. Chapter 4, Campfire Mains. I'm most interested in that. Chapter 5, S'mores and More. You have to do s'mores, right? Chapter 6, Fortifications, i.e. Chapter 7, Morning Meal. And the final part, Until We Camp Again and Camp Provisions. So here's the preface, cute illustrations. Chapter 1, nice little plaid background. Camping Compendium. Primp Your Party Wear. Rally the Booze Brigade. Yes, that is the only situation under which I would go camping. Chill Out, Packing the Camp Cooler. Fantastic car games. Scout Your Spot. Which lean-to are you? This is fun. Light my campfire, cooking with gas, keep the spark alive, fire tips, etc. I actually have one of these tripods for cooking outdoors because about every 10 years the power goes out in my neighborhood during winter for like 7 annoying days and I end up cooking outside. Okay, Cast Iron Commandments, 99 ways to use a thermos. I didn't realize this book was going to be so educational. Stargazing for city slickers. Okay, let's get to the recipes. But look at these nice illustrations. The ultimate camp kitchen, camping hacks, packing list. Okay, let's get to the recipes. Aha! Cape Gooseberry Trail Mix. Furikake Flurry. Now you'll notice there's no photograph of the food, just cute illustrations. That's fine. Smoked trout spread. I won't whine like I usually do when I open a cookbook that has no pictures. Figgy pecan crackers and whipped feta. Too much work, I will buy feta at the store. Smoky spicy salmon jerky. Bulgogi beef jerky. Biscuits, camping with your canine and how to make dog biscuits for them. No, I will just buy dog biscuits. Here's a pioneer picnic and a forest fondue. I like this book. Sautéed chanterelle mushrooms that you foraged yourself. Be careful. Cool. Garlicky grilled artichokes. That's easy to cook over the fire. Corn on the cob with chili lime butter. I always put chili and lime on my corn on the cob because I grew up near Mexico and my boyfriend who didn't grow up near Mexico thinks I'm really weird for not just putting butter and salt. From Farm to Fire, ember baked accompaniments. Let's keep going. Camping attire. Garden Raid tomato, cucumber, and melon salad. Careful with taking melons when they're not refrigerated though. Here's a menu for a buckaroo banquet, and some naughty library patron folded the pages over on a book that we all share. That's not okay. Let's not do that. Your mama should have taught you better. Fire roasted vegetables with black lentils. Wheat berries, plums, and golden beets with walnut oil vinaigrette and another bent page. Summer squash, snap pea, and asparagus salad. You get the drift. Let's move forward. Chorizo skillet nachos. Here's a menu for a plein air pizza night. By plain they mean outdoors, fresh, etc. Spicy chuck wagon chili and chili 5 ways. You can't go camping without making chili at least twice, right? Dutch oven roast chicken with another bent page. Here's the cute illustration of it. This is adorable. 4 cheese fennel and lamb bolognese lasagna. That sounds a little complicated for camping, but if you're cooking in your backyard and you can get all the ingredients out of your fridge, that's much easier. Middle of nowhere mac and beer cheese. 1 pouch saltwater wonders. Tinfoil shrimp roll. Okay. My boyfriend would love that. Skillet fried rainbow trout with lemon and fresh dill. Hopefully you caught the trout. Congratulations if you did. Compound butters. The incomparable camp cooking companion and camp cookery kit. That's fancy. Bake Sky ribeye with shallot or butter. Hot dog homage, our national parks in 12 tantalizing toppers. So many bent pages I'm going to have to fix before I give this back to the library. Goodness sakes. It's really bothering me. Maybe I should have been a librarian. Okay. Dark rum caramel. We're clearly in another chapter now. Chocolate raspberry caramel s'mores. Here's the sticks you should be picking up for your s'mores. Salted honey maple peanut brittle. Chocolate popcorn. Cherry berry slump. Cold-baked apples with cinnamon cider sauce. That sounds really good, especially in winter. Double-decker pineapple mug cakes. Hey, yeah, because you'd have a mug with you. Thoughts on thermos cocktails. Big Batch Bloody Mary. Now you're speaking my language. Blood orange bug juice. Cucumber cooler. Vanilla bourbon hot apple cider. Peanut butter hot chocolate. Full moon. Camp stove coffee. Morning meal. Last chapter. Backcountry breakfast boards. Hey, this is staying with the hipster times. Nobody ever went camping and had to do boards before. Here's a flaming pavlova. Or pavlova. No, pavlova. With a grapefruit. Honey lime yogurt granola parfaits. Mason jar lid fried egg sandwich with Canadian bacon, avocado, and sriracha. Sounds good. Spicy sausage, roasted red pepper, and smoked cheddar breakfast burritos. Okay, we're getting to the end. Cast iron Dutch baby with grilled peaches. Blackberry cardamom coffee cake. Well camping. Wow. Dutch oven cinnamon rolls. All right, you get the drift. That is pretty cool. I really like that. That's the Campout Cookbook by Marnie Hanel and Jen Stevenson. It's awesome. I recommend it. If you'd like to see more of our cookbook look-throughs and reviews, follow Cookbook Divas on our blog. We have a podcast. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Be sure to click like and comment and say something nice if you enjoy our videos so the algorithms will show you more of our posts. Bye.